from violinspiration.com, and today I'm bringing to you a tutorial called Despacito. I really knew I had to bring this tutorial again to you guys because one of my students of Julia's Violin Academy and was literally telling me like, Julia, this is like the crappiest tutorial you've ever made, and literally like thousands of people are watching it. And I was like watching my old tutorial and there was like, she's right. So I have to create a new tutorial where I actually upload sheet music for all of you. So you can actually play along and know exactly what to play. So I uploaded sheet music below this tutorial. I know a lot of you have been waiting for this. So here it is finally. And also I wanted to record a better tutorial where you can actually see my fingers properly and where I explain it a little better. So let's get started right away. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a super easy version of Despacito. We are going to start with only playing the chorus of Despacito, and this is what you're gonna learn here. So let's have a look at the fingerboard. You're going to place your third finger on the A string, and that should sound like this. And we are going to start here. So we're gonna play 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. Let's do it again. After that, we are going to play 4 times the second finger. Ooh, that goes fast, right? Make sure, if you can, to use your wrist to play these fingers. So instead of like doing like, you're using, do you see? So the movement comes like kind of from the hand moving back and forth, like, instead of from the entire arm. And that will make it sound much more beautiful, especially if you want to play 16 notes quickly. So let's play it again. 3. Play along with me. Get your violin. Why are you watching this without your violin? I know it. I know so many of you are actually watching my tutorials without actually practicing. And if you do have your violin right now, I have to congratulate you because I think you're like one of the 5%. And that means you are going to learn the violin. And this is what it needs to learn the violin. That is that you stay consistent, that you actually practice every day. So if you are only watching this right now, get your violin if you can. If you're not like at your job or something like this, or doing like secretly watching this video somewhere where you shouldn't be watching it. But if you're at home, get your violin right now. Okay, let's go on. Third finger. 2, 1, 2. Did you get it? 3, 2, 1, 2. Let's play it together. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. Now we are going to add 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. 3, 2, 1, 2. 3, 2, 1, 2. Now we are going to play 2, 1, 1, 1, 3. 2, 1, 1, 1. 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. A1. Can we try that? 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, A1. This gets a lot easier if you get the sheet music, so actually make sure to download it below so you can actually see the fingers. It is much harder to learn this all by heart, even though I do congratulate you if you're actually doing this right now. Can you play that? Okay, let's do it together. 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, A1. 1, 2, 2, 8, 1, 1, 1, A1. Okay, let's have a look at the entire first line now. 1, 2. Oh, I will play with the play along. That will actually make it easier for you to hear where the notes are. Bit slower. We're just practicing. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. that work. I'm now going to show what comes after. Okay, so after that we are going to play. After that we have again a similar pattern, but this time with older notes. And again, the same bowing is important, so bow back and forth with your hand. And really make use of your wrist, right? That you have this flexible wrist, that you're not like keeping your hand stiff, because then it is going to be really hard if you want to play faster. If you want to play fast, you really want to get that wrist supple, and you can do exercises for that. You can find a lot of exercises on this in Julia's Violin Academy. So if you're interested, you can have a look at that, juliasviolinacademy.com. And here I show you exactly the step-by-step process to achieve that wrist flexibility. So if we go back to the piece now, I am not going to go over every single note, because you can have a look at my play-along videos. I uploaded a slow play along and a fast play along. And if you want to see exactly the notes that you have to play, have a look at the slow play along in conjunction with the sheet music. That will be a lot easier than me actually explaining each note, saying 2, 2, 2, 2. Even though it would be easier to see it actually, me playing it. So these are the most important tips that I want to give you. Pay attention to the rhythm, make sure to play along with the play along, and really make sure to keep your wrist very supple when you're playing fast, especially when you're playing the 16th notes. That will make it a lot easier. If you've learned this song, as always, make sure to tag on Instagram @violinspiration with you playing this song. I love to see how you guys are playing the songs that I'm posting. And also let me know in the comments if you are going to practice this piece. And if not, what piece are you currently practicing? I just love to see what keeps you guys busy and what you are currently doing. It just motivates me to see that all of us subscribing to this channel are practicing the violin. It really inspires me to see others practice. And I think together, if we together inspire each other and let each other know that we are practicing, we are all on the same path, that is really going to inspire others to practice as well. So let's share together in the comments, what are we practicing right now? And are we going to practice this song? And let's cheer each other on. Let's tell each other you're doing awesome. It's great that you're practicing this. So let's do that together, and let's make this really positive comment section where you just can come back and be getting so inspired to practice that you actually quit watching YouTube videos and actually go practice. So go quit YouTube right now, go practice. YouTube videos can only get you so far, but in the end it's what happens in the practice room that will help you to actually learn how to play the violin. So good luck practicing this piece, and I hope to see you back for my next tutorial. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any of your violin lessons and so you will never forget to practice. See you soon everyone, goodbye.